Oh yeah, alright, it's recording. So you already know what's going on. It's Killer Chris here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm gonna freaking install these. Here, let me show you a better angle. So yeah, we're gonna be installing these bad boys right here. Pretty good speakers. These fuckers are loud and they're not even that expensive. So yeah. So here's my car also. I decided to give you guys an update because why not? New wheels. They are drag DR44s. You already know. Fucking, what's the spec on them? 15 by 8.25. Pretty cool. I like it. Like it a lot. The only thing I don't like is I lifted my car because fucking I'm still in high school and I sometimes haul around my friends. And yeah, I need it. And I was like fucking pretty low. I was pretty low. It was like only I myself can be in the car driving. I couldn't take anyone, which kind of sucked. But I mean, I don't know. The car looks so good, but now, I mean, it still looks good now. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's not low how I wanted. Like, damn, dude, I fucking hate seeing that. But whatever, it's cool. Car looks fucking clean. I'm in love with the car. This is my baby right here, so I ain't even tripping, bro. Anyways, let's get on with the install. Was adjacent. Maryland staring out the window for motivation. Oh yeah, also if you guys don't know how to take off a door panel on a Acura Integra, like 94 through 2001 I think it is, but it's right here. One right there, just pop this open, and one screw down there, unscrew it, take that off, take this off right here, pop this off like that. And then, is it zoomed in? Oh, what the fuck, it is zoomed in. And then just pop off this thing right here. I'll take that off right now. And then for some other ones, for some other cars, they have this little clip that's installed. My car, it got broken, so I can just fucking like pop it off easy like this. Like, see, that's supposed to go in there, but this guy took it off. So yeah, and there should be another one right there, another screw, but like I said, I took it off. So yeah. Okay, so then right here, once you have everything off, you take off the clip right here, take these clips off. I disconnected my tweeter. I'm actually gonna fucking throw it away because it doesn't work anymore, so I'm gonna go back to my stock one. But yeah, there should be, I only have 2 screws, but there should be 4 screws right here. Obviously unscrew them, and probably for this one, I think I'm gonna pop this one in the back too, because I got 2 6.5s in the back, and I think I'm gonna pop this one in the back because I know this one for sure is stock. This is like my only speaker that I had that was actually aftermarket besides my sub. But yeah, I'm probably gonna pop this one in the back. Alright, so I've been at it for a while now, but like I've been trying to make this fucking crap fit, but it does not fit. This shit is too big and it kept hitting this fucking, the shits on the inside, so I cut everything out, did my own fucking fab and shit. But I mean, like, it looks all ugly, but it still didn't work. I need to like cut like all that, but I'm not gonna fucking do that. I saw OMG Teggy's video, and like his speakers are hella huge too, and he did the same thing where it was just like this, and he just fucking, oh my bad, I don't even think I was pointing the camera at the speaker. he did the same shit, and like I think he just fucking zip tied it like this, and he said it worked pretty good, so fuck it. Alrighty, so kind of moving forward with time right now. I'm like it's been like 4 hours since I recorded the last video, but I went to, it's because I had to go to my cousin's party, but like now I'm back. So to update you guys, I'm not even gonna use this anymore. Like I said, I'm just gonna zip tie it. This is how it's looking really. I just got 2 holes there, 2 holes there, 2 holes there. I probably should have done one down here, but I don't know, I was too lazy. But I don't think we'll need, I'll still make the hole, fuck it. I'm not gonna half-ass it. But I mean, yeah, I basically had to do that. I'll show you guys how I'm drilling it and how I'm marking it on the other side. But yeah, let's go. Got it all rigged up. Dude, this thing is not gonna move at all. Let's see if it fucking, oh yeah, let's go. That shit fucking slaps. Oh yep, so I just got done fucking installing both of them. Oh fuck, well I covered it up, but I mean like I put 3 zip ties, and dude, this shit is so fucking secure. Oh my god, Teggy is fucking smart for this. I don't know if he invented it or not, but I mean like, you know, he shared it to the world. So I'm fucking using it now, and this shit's not fucking going anywhere. Oh, and I'm putting back my stock speakers now, so dude, this shit's gonna be so fucking loud, dog. And the fat ass sub in the back, bro. Oh no, dude, it's over, dude. Oh man. Anyways, yeah. So basically, it's installed. Let's turn it up. See that shit. Alright. Too loud. I'm trying to get copyright either, bro. Too loud. Oh, you already know this is the end of the video. Sadly, I know. It's okay. I'll make another video another day. Don't worry about. I don't know. I'll fucking think of something. But yeah. So. This is the end of it. I don't know really fucking my outro. See you guys later. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video too. Give it a like, subscribe, share it with everyone. Yeah.